Things to do for stronger erection as a man. That is what I want to share with you in this video. The 4 things you should do naturally to gain a perfect erection. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the things you should do naturally to help you correct erectile dysfunction. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell anytime I upload a good content concerning men and natural ways to keep men. You will get notification to watch my new upload. So what are the things you should do for a stronger erection? And what is a stronger erection? A stronger erection is when a man have an erection that lasts longer, an erection that never disappoints. So these things that I want to disclose in this video will help you to improve your erection as a man. And these are the natural ways to get erection. Remember that I teach how to improve men's health naturally. So that is why I am making this video. Number 1 is daily exercise. Yes, daily exercise will improve your blood flow and blood circulation. And this blood flow and blood circulation help to make you gain erection and to maintain erection as a man. So make sure that you do exercise on daily basis to improve your blood flow and blood circulation, and to also improve your testosterone and some hormones in your body system, which will aid in erection. So make sure that you do exercise. It can be jumping, it can be jogging, swimming, running, any kind of exercise you can do it, because this exercise will improve your erection. Number 2 is consume a lot of fruits and vegetables. Yes, food and vegetables will improve erection and also help you to correct erectile dysfunction. Food, fruits and vegetables will help you to change things to start working for you inside your body system. Assuming you have a bad immune system, you have deficiency in some vitamins and minerals, with good food, fruits and vegetables, they will revitalize you, they will resuscitate and improve your immunity. And with this, you will start responding when the need arises. So make sure that you consume a lot of food, fruits and vegetables to improve your immunity, which will help you or aid in good and stronger erection. And this will also help you to correct erectile dysfunction. Number 3 is avoid stress and anxiety. Yes, when you are living in depression, anxiety, it will affect your performance as a man. When you always embark on stress, you don't sleep, you don't make yourself happy, it will affect your emotion, it will affect your body system and also affect your brain. But once you avoid stress, anxiety, depression, you will be happy, you will eat good food, and this will contribute for stronger erection as a man. So make sure that you avoid stress and anxiety to improve your erection and to have a stronger erection as a man. Now, number 4 and the last is balanced diets. Eat good food and make sure that your food comprises all the classes of food to improve your erection. So these are the things you should do to help you gain erection, maintain a stronger erection, and to last longer as a man. And this is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please join this channel by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. You get notification to watch my video. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to all your friends and families. I wish you good luck. I wish you favor. See you in my next video. Bye.